Magandang hapon po ng September 4, 2023 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 4, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 4, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 4, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 108 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 8.9 million pesos for Monday, September 4, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, September 4, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result updates.